Have you ever wondered how the current AI programming tools are shaping the future of technology? It's a question that's increasingly relevant as we find ourselves in an era where technology is not just a tool, but an integral part of our day-to-day lives. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept confined to science fiction novels and futuristic movies. It's here, and it's transforming the way we work, play, and interact. At the heart of this transformation lies a complex web of AI programming tools, each with its own unique capabilities and potential. These tools are not just shaping the future of technology, they are actively defining it. They serve as the architects of our digital world, constructing the intricate systems that power everything from our smartphones to our global economy. They are the silent conductors of our digital symphony, orchestrating the interactions between man and machine, between data and decision. But what exactly are these tools, and how do they work? Well, in essence, AI programming tools are sophisticated pieces of software that allow developers to create and implement AI models. They can be used to train machines to perform a wide array of tasks, from recognizing patterns in data to making complex predictions about future events. These tools have become indispensable in a world that's rapidly digitizing. They are driving advancements in fields as diverse as healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. They're helping doctors diagnose diseases, bankers manage investments, drivers navigate roads, and filmmakers create stunning visual effects. But perhaps most significantly, these programming tools are democratizing access to AI technology. They're making it possible for anyone with a computer and an internet connection to explore the world of AI, to create, innovate, and contribute to the technological landscape of tomorrow. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, it's clear that these tools are more than just a means to an end. They are the catalysts of change, the keys to a future that's as exciting as it is unpredictable. Today, we delve into the world of AI programming tools and their impact on different sectors. Imagine an open-source library that has revolutionized machine learning. Welcome to TensorFlow. Now let's dive into the world of TensorFlow. Developed by the Google Brain team, TensorFlow has emerged as a leading name in machine learning and artificial intelligence development. As an open-source library, it has democratized access to complex machine learning tools, enabling developers worldwide to create sophisticated AI models. TensorFlow's real strength lies in its flexibility. It is designed to work on different platforms, from mobile devices to multi-GPU setups. This versatility makes it a favorite among developers, offering them the freedom to choose the most appropriate environment for their projects. One remarkable feature of TensorFlow is its visual debugging tool, TensorBoard. It provides developers with a clear visual representation of their machine learning models, making it easier to understand, debug, and optimize these complex structures. But TensorFlow isn't just for developers. It's also a powerful tool for businesses looking to leverage the power of AI. Let's take a look at a real-world example. The multinational conglomerate, General Electric, uses TensorFlow to analyze data from its industrial machines. By applying machine learning, they can predict when a machine might fail or require maintenance, leading to significant cost savings and improved efficiency. In the healthcare sector, TensorFlow has been a game-changer as well. Medical professionals use it to analyze medical images, helping them spot potential health issues earlier and with greater accuracy. And it doesn't stop there. TensorFlow is used in a variety of fields, from finance to entertainment, demonstrating its broad applicability and immense potential. But perhaps what's most exciting is what lies ahead. With the continued development of TensorFlow, we can expect even more powerful tools and applications in the future. It's not just about building better AI models, it's about making these models accessible and useful to a wider range of people and industries. As you can see, TensorFlow has made significant strides in machine learning, aiding many businesses in their growth. Now let's shift gears to PyTorch, another game-changer in the realm of AI programming tools. PyTorch is a free open-source machine learning library based on the Torch library. It's known for its ease of use, flexibility, and efficient memory usage, making it a popular choice for deep learning research. One of the strongest features of PyTorch is its dynamic computational graph. Unlike TensorFlow's static graph, which requires you to define the entire computation up front, PyTorch allows you to build and modify the computation graph on the fly. This feature makes PyTorch more intuitive and easier to debug, as you can see exactly what's happening at each step of the computation. But that's not all. PyTorch also provides a rich API for tensor computation, just like NumPy, but with powerful GPU support. It also includes automatic differentiation for building and training neural networks, a feature that greatly simplifies the implementation of complex algorithms. So how does this all translate into the real world? Let's take a look at an example. Imagine a tech company developing a new recommendation engine for their e-commerce platform. Using PyTorch, they can experiment with different models, quickly iterate on them, and easily debug any issues, thanks to the dynamic computational graph. The powerful GPU support also allows them to handle large amounts of data and train their models more efficiently. Moreover, PyTorch's interoperability with other Python libraries allows the team to leverage existing tools and workflows, reducing the overall development time. And with PyTorch's active and growing community, they have access to a wealth of resources and pre-trained models to kickstart their project. But perhaps one of the most significant advantages of PyTorch is its support for deployment in production settings. With tools like TorchServe and TorchScript, the company can seamlessly transition from research to production, ensuring their innovative recommendation engine reaches their customers faster. The versatility of PyTorch is indeed astounding, making it a valuable tool in the AI industry. So whether you're a researcher pushing the boundaries of machine learning, or a developer looking to implement AI in your next project, PyTorch is undoubtedly worth considering. Ever wondered how AI can transform the healthcare industry? Let's explore IBM Watson. IBM Watson, a shining beacon in the realm of artificial intelligence, is a technology platform that uses natural language processing and machine learning to reveal insights from large amounts of unstructured data. It's more than just a programming tool, it's a partner that assists us in making better-informed decisions. IBM Watson's features are vast and varied. It offers advanced AI services, applications, and tooling. Watson Assistant, for instance, is a conversational AI tool that understands natural language. Watson Discovery, on the other hand, helps unearth hidden value in data to find answers and automate decision-making. But where Watson truly shines is in its contribution to the healthcare industry. It has been a game-changer, transforming the way we approach diagnosis and treatment. Let's consider a real-world case study of a hospital using IBM Watson. At Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in New York City, Watson is being used to assist with diagnosis and treatment options for lung cancer patients. Watson is fed with a wealth of information from medical textbooks, journals, and clinical trials. It then uses this knowledge to analyze a patient's medical records and suggest evidence-based treatment options. This kind of AI-assisted decision-making is helping doctors to provide personalized treatment plans, improving patient outcomes. Moreover, Watson's ability to sift through vast amounts of medical literature and clinical trials far exceeds the capacity of any human being. This means it can keep up with the latest research and treatment modalities, ensuring patients receive the most up-to-date care. The impact of Watson's contribution to healthcare is profound. It's not just about improving efficiency or reducing errors, it's about revolutionizing the way we approach medical care, making it more personalized, evidence-based, and effective. IBM Watson's impact on healthcare demonstrates the transformative power of AI programming tools. As we continue to harness the power of artificial intelligence, we can look forward to even more groundbreaking innovations and improvements in healthcare and beyond. With such powerful tools at our disposal, what could the future possibly hold for AI programming? As we look forward, we see a horizon filled with potential for AI programming tools. There's no doubt that machine learning will continue to evolve, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve. We're already witnessing the emergence of more advanced algorithms that can learn and adapt to new information without explicit programming. Imagine a world where AI systems can not only learn from data but also understand and reason about it, much like a human would. Data analysis is another area ripe for innovation. The amount of data generated every day is staggering. However, the challenge lies not just in collecting this data but in making sense of it. AI programming tools of the future will likely be equipped with advanced analytical capabilities, enabling them to sift through vast amounts of data and extract meaningful insights with greater speed and accuracy than ever before. But we're not just talking about incremental improvements, we're talking about transformative changes. One of the most exciting prospects is the advancement in automation. The rise of AutoML, or automated machine learning, is an example of this. It's a process that automates the design of machine learning models, making it easier for non-specialists to use machine learning. As we advance, we can expect to see more such tools that democratize access to AI, making it possible for anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, to harness the power of AI. Moreover, we anticipate a future where AI programming tools are more integrated and interoperable. This means different tools can communicate and work together seamlessly, which would drastically improve efficiency and open up new avenues for innovation. In summary, the future of AI programming is a landscape of endless possibilities. With advancements in machine learning, data analysis, and automation, we're on the brink of an AI revolution that promises to transform the way we live and work. The future of AI programming is indeed promising, with endless possibilities for innovation. It's clear that AI programming tools are revolutionizing our world, but how can you keep up with these changes? What a journey it's been, delving into the realm of AI programming tools. We've taken a comprehensive look at the state of AI programming tools today, from TensorFlow's flexible and comprehensive ecosystem that's changing the way we approach machine learning, to PyTorch's dynamic computational graph that's making AI model development easier and more intuitive. We also gave you an inside scoop on IBM Watson, a trailblazer that's extending the boundaries of what's possible with AI, bringing cognitive computing to the forefront. And let's not forget our glimpse into the future, where AI programming tools are headed, and the exciting possibilities they hold for us. But remember, these are just the tips of the iceberg. The world of AI is vast and ever-evolving. The tools we've discussed today are just a part of a larger, more complex landscape. There are countless more out there, waiting to be discovered, each with its own unique capabilities and potential. Therefore, it's essential to stay informed, to keep learning, exploring, and experimenting. The future of AI is a grand tapestry, woven from the threads of innovation and discovery. And you, yes you, are an integral part of this tapestry. Your curiosity, your drive to learn, your passion for discovery, these are the fuel that will drive AI forward. So let's keep this momentum going. Let's delve deeper, question more, and strive for better. Because the future of AI is not just about the tools we develop, but also about the minds that wield them. As we conclude today's journey, remember that every end is a new beginning. Your journey into the world of AI is far from over. In fact, it has just begun. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to stay updated with the latest in AI programming. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI.